नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप? हाय हेलो। वी विल डू टुडे few exercises. First exercise we will do sit straight, back straight, neck straight, backbone straight. Breathe in, stomach in, breathe out. Stomach out. Continue. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Most focus on breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And now long breathe in and long breathe out. Start. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And now rest your body. And we will do next exercise C. Sit straight, back straight, neck straight, backbone straight. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Rest your body. Next exercise we will do breathe in from nose and breathe out from mouth. This is very good exercise. and this is very good also for heart patient. So please sit straight, back straight, neck straight, backbone straight. Breathe in from nose one time more, I tell you, and breathe out from mouth. See, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Do yoga, be healthy. Okay? Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And now rest your body. And now we will do next exercise. Breathe in from nose and breathe out from mouth, but you have to breathe out in up. See, breathe in, breathe out. This is called smoke exercise. Okay? See, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, rest your body. And at last we will do meditation for few minutes. Sit straight, back straight, neck straight, backbone straight. Sit in Gyan Mudra. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. feeling so light. You are feeling tension free brain. You have no thought in your brain. You are very happy this time. You feel very happy this time. You are feeling very peaceful this time. And you are feeling very light. You have no pressure in your body and on your mind. You are very healthy mentally and physically both. Your all parts are very healthy. You are very lucky person. Think positive, be optimistic, focus on your breath. Breathe in, breathe out, and open your eyes. Thank you very much for today. Bye.